there, and welcome to Tammy Talk TV, where we share ways to live a healthy, happy life. Today we're going to continue our sleep series, and if you missed either part 1, where we talked about setting the proper environment, or part 2, where we talked about how to deal with stress before and during we sleep, I'm going to link those both above and below so that if you want to catch those, you absolutely can. But today we're going to continue our sleep series, and we're going to talk about rituals and routines, which are very popular all across social media. There's a reason for that. It's because routines and rituals are very powerful things. And technically, they're a series of habits that lead you to a particular event. So for instance, a morning ritual it's a series of habits that lead you to getting out the door and getting your day started. An evening ritual is just the opposite. It's a ritual or a series of habits that leads you through like a shutdown process in order to let you relax and rest at the end of the day. So let's talk a little about evening rituals, because when we're talking about sleep, it's our evening ritual that really comes into play. So as in the evening, you need a series of steps that helps you just sort of close the door on everything and put everything, metaphorically, to bed. So it doesn't really matter what the ritual is, simply that you have one. So think about it this way. You check the thermostat. Okay, there's your environment. Check. You make sure the doors are locked. There's your security. Checked. And all those things that you go through, you can close the door on that element of your day. So if you sit down and make your today and to-do list, which we covered in the stress segment, and again, I will link it above and below. But if you make your today and to-do list, okay, there's your business and your communication sector. Check. And so all those things that you do, let's say you brush your teeth. Okay, there's your health element. Check. And so everything that you do, you're closing the door on that element of your day. So I haven't really shared an evening ritual because it's very fluid, right? So at different stages in my life or even different seasons, it changes. So typically during the evenings, I make my today and to-do list, I adjust the thermostat, I brush my teeth, just a simple series of steps that helps me close the door on my day and tells my brain it's time to settle down and rest. Okay, so that's our rest segment. And next time, we're going to talk about dreams. And that will conclude our sleep series. And then we'll move on probably to exercise. We're going to either do exercise or nutrition. If you have a preference, just drop it down in the comment box below. I'm leaning towards exercise, but if you say nutrition, well, that's what it's all about. But we'll talk about that next time. Until then, here's wishing you health and happiness.